Hello everyone, welcome to EDAU 516, the Educational and Transformative Leadership class. My name's Will Netterson. I'm going to be your instructor for the 8 weeks. Let's be honest, it's 9 weeks, but one of those weeks we're off for spring break. So this is a goal or video to give you an introduction of who I am, as well as little bits about the class. So who am I? I am currently a principal at Red Hill Elementary School in the Tustin Unified School District in Southern California, as I know Concordia's program spans all throughout our state. So just giving you a reference point. I've been a principal here at Red Hill for 8 years. Before that, I was a principal at Vay Elementary School. Between those two sites, I've been an administrator at a Title I site and a non-Title I site. Prior to that, I was an assistant principal at a middle school. I've been a teacher on special assignment at the district office level. And then my teaching background, I spent 6 years at an elementary school teaching 1st through 5th grade. In that mix, my teaching credential is a multiple subjects credential. I am also an alumni of Concordia University. I received my second master's from Concordia in educational leadership, just like you're starting the journey on right now, and I have my admin credential because of that program. I'm also a husband. My wife and I have been married for 19 years. Emily is a elementary school teacher teaching kindergarten currently in the same district that I am, and then different school though. And then we have 2 kids, Timothy and Sarah. Timothy is a junior at Irvine High, and Sarah is an 8th grader at Venado Middle School. So that's a little bit of a background about me. Like I shared, been on this journey with these courses and looking forward to working with you. Working with Concordia in the master's program, I've worked for 11 years now, teaching a couple different courses. This is one of the courses I enjoy the most because it's a reflective component about leadership at a school, and then looking about the art of leadership and looking at transformational leadership, about how to engage others that either could be hesitant to change or on board to change, but need a leader to really guide the ship, if that makes sense, that captain to lead the ship. So we will be reading from 2 different texts that will focus on leadership, and you can find that information out. I'm going to click over here in the syllabus and text section. Sorry for this shift in screen, but I just want to make sure I give you the visual images. You'll be able to click on your shell here under syllabus and textbooks, practicing the art of leadership. That gives us the overview, and then the framework for understanding poverty, helping us understand the needs of students in poverty, our low socioeconomic students. And then always recommended is our APA manual. If you have not ordered that yet, it will be a tool that you use throughout your journey, as all of your written papers should follow an APA or the American Psychological Association's formatting. So that would be a great tool to buy. So that's the overview of who I am, where we're going with the course. I'll get into each week a separate introduction video that will give a little more about the assignment. I look forward to meeting you in our first live session. You will see my contact information and be able to contact me, whether it's in the syllabus here, or I'm sorry, I'll take you up to the top of the syllabus. There's my contact information, or on the Meet the Instructor in your Concordia Blackboard course. I look forward again to meeting you, and I hope that you have a great week. God bless.